Make sure the flare connection is not tilted, cracked, or otherwise damaged before connecting. The refrigerant system must be completely sealed in order for the system to perform properly. Start with a pressure test to check for leaks. Using a yellow jacket adapter will allow you to connect standard service equipment to the mini-split service ports. Use dry nitrogen and pressurize the line set and air handler to 100 to 200 psig. Then, using a soap bubble solution, spray down all of the flare joints and watch for bubbles to appear. If bubbles are present, tighten the union nut or, if necessary, reflare the copper. Next, the technician will use a vacuum pump and gauges to remove all air and moisture prior to releasing refrigerant into the lines. After the vacuum is complete, close the manifold gauge valve. Use an adjustable wrench to remove the service valve caps, and use an Allen wrench or hex key to fully open both service valves, releasing refrigerant into the system.